giving me like bang vibes, like with these kitchen bangs. Just let yourself glow. Look as, ow, dang it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So let's go ahead and get into this Wiggy Wednesday. I don't have a lot of time, but I want to show you guys this wig before I headed out to dinner. So this is the Sensational Empress lace wig. It is a 6-inch part. It has 3-way parting, and it is the kinky curly style. This is what the card looks like. This is how the model is wearing it. So she's wearing it on the side and in the middle to show you guys the parting. I got this in the color 1B, and I got it from Divatress.com. I decided to get the 1B because I have not gotten 1B in such a long time as far as hair is concerned. So I definitely wanted to go back to my roots. So that's what I did. If you guys want to see what I think about this wig straight out the pack, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so this is what the hair comes in. It has a package like this. This is what the wig looks like. Super cute. So it has a 6-inch part, and you can shift the part 3 different ways. So basically like shift the wig so you can have the part in 3 different ways. So you can't part this wig yourself. Yeah, I know I like my part to be on the side sometimes. I can't always do a middle part because my forehead just won't let me. So I try to do a side part, but I think I want to try to do a middle part with this one. Ooh, it has like little baby hairs. This is a lot of baby hairs actually. Look how, look at those baby hairs. Okay. Well then, fancy. Okay, so I don't like that either. It only gives you lace on the the front part, like by the actual parting, not all the way around. Which, come on, Divatress, y'all are tricking me again with this type of wig. I mean, you know what? No, not again. At least it has the lace on it. But still, dang, give me lace all the way around. It does have the comb in the back, as everyone loves the comb in the back. It has the adjustable straps. So, does it have combs on the inside? No, it does not. Okay, learning, because no one uses those. But it does have the combs on the front side. However, I don't use those either because I want to keep the front of my edges. Right, but let us go ahead and cut this little bit of lace off. They could have cut it off for us. Save me some time, this little bit of lace. There's the parting. So it's apparently, it says it's 6 inches of parting. And yes, comes the baby hair. This is what the curls look like up close. I'm definitely going to be playing with those a little bit more. I don't know, I thought they were going to be a little bit tighter curled, but you know, it's okay. I can work with it. I am going to do the straps just because I feel like this may be a little big, and my head is big, but this looks a little loose. So let's not have this falling off. Am I sweating? Gosh. Let's not have this falling off in the middle of dinner. That will be embarrassing. So yeah, it's a little different not to have the combs here on the side because that's where you normally would put the combs. Okay. Let's get these long baby hairs out of here because they are long. See, the lace stops literally right there. I mean, it would have been nice to have it around, but I know why they did it. It's because you can shift the part and you can't have the lace all the way around like that. So this is giving me all types of just let your soul glow. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow. This is the vibes that I'm getting from this wig right now. So I'm definitely going to be going in and plucking, not plucking, but you know, fixing this up just a tad bit. I don't really gotta pluck anything out because it gives you like a little bit of parting within that. So I'm just gonna go in and cut these a little bit. It's giving me like bang vibes. Like I feel like I'm in elementary school with these kitchen bangs. looks bumpy up here. Who was that busting in my room? Oh, that's because I don't got to pull down all the way. Okay. My bad. Okay, so if I wanted to wear it, you know, real Jerry Curlish, this is how it would look. But I don't, so I just want to comb out just a little bit to give it a little bit more volume because it's a little droopy in my opinion. I mean, I could go in and cut some layers in here. That is definitely an option, but I'm not doing that right now. So the hair is very, very soft though, and very easy to, you know, pick my hands through or pick my fingers through. The curls are definitely nice. This baby hair is getting on my nerves. I don't like that. That works for me. Because that baby hair was not the business. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Okay, so that is the finished wig look. Again, the curls are very, very soft. They're easy to manage. I'm definitely going to be going in and cutting some layers in here because it's just too flat in my opinion. And even with me finger combing it out, it's still not poofing up the way I want it to. So I wish the curls kind of came all the way up to the actual part. I hate when there's like this straight nonsense going on and then you have the curls. It just looks really weird to me. So I don't like that about the wig. I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to fix that. I think it mainly looks really off to me because the curls are so, like, it's so long in this area, like it's not as full. So I think once I go in and cut some layers into this, it'll look a lot better. I do like the length of it. You guys can see it's pretty long, so I don't mind that at all. I don't have any wigs this length at this style, like as far as the curls are concerned, so I do like that. If you guys want to see, this is the hairline of it. So I had the baby hairs down as you guys saw, and they look like some trash. So I went on and pushed those back, and I like that a lot better. This wig again is from Divatress.com. I will link it down below. It was very, very inexpensive, and I like it. So yeah, if you guys decide to get it, make sure you hashtag Wiggy Wednesday and send it into my email, links listed down below, and I'll be sure to share you guys on the next Wiggy Wednesday. But let me go ahead and get out here because I gotta eat because my stomach is growling and I'm hungry. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye.